guys, it's another day, another problem with the Mack truck. As you can see, we got this piece here going to the next part, one corner to the next corner. I'll show you guys right now. And here we are, the other corner. As you can see, there's the rubber part. I don't know, that's normal for the Mack. By the way, this is an MP7 engine, so this is kind of crazy. It's all busted. When you drive, this piece is on level, so I want to see if I can get it straight. First, I want to see if I can get it replaced for the Mack, because I haven't had this part for 30 days. So here we go, guys. I think this part is like aluminum. Let's get this piece out, guys. There we go. So there's it. We got this part. Look how it looks, guys. It's so sensitive. And here's the other end. Pretty crazy. I wonder if this rubber goes to the end or needs another special piece. I have to check that with Mack, see what they tell me. Well, here we go, guys. The part just got welded. Let's take a look. I hope that does resist, because Mack be tripping. They didn't want to give my money back or return it, exchange it. So let's hope that works. Looks good so far. Yeah, guys. Oh, here we go, guys. There's the installment of these two. You can see it looks pretty good to me. Hopefully it can hold for a good while. Let's check this other side here. Looks all right. That's the welding part that I did, and here's the other piece that I installed. Prevent from vibrating. Alright, guys, looks good so far. Let's crank it up. Alright, guys, the truck is on. Let's check it out. Go ahead and check the welding part. Alright. It's good so far. Nothing crazy. On the road. Alright, guys. Here's the installment of the Mack. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.